Firstly, can you reopen your camera?
Sorry?
Yeah, now it is okay. So good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
So how are you doing?
I'm good. Now I'm on duty. I'm in my plant. I'm in working in milk manufacturing company.
Okay.
Here, uh, here I'm as a computer operator and a payment operator. Recently, I'm in Kanpur, and I'm a learner. I'm not a YouTuber, not an excellent, not a mediator. I'm a learner for English.
Okay. That's very fantastic. So may I introduce myself?
I have to know about me. I have to explain about me. My name is Akhilesh Kumar. Okay. Basically, I'm from village, okay, native area, and if I'm talking about my qualification, I did masters in English, and I did master in computers. Okay, I have more than a 7 year experience in customer service, sales, and operations computer profile. I'm not studying, but yeah, I'm also studying. I'm preparation for SAP. Okay, I'm doing some courses also, but English is my not good. Okay, and I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not making any kind of videos because my thing is that firstly I have to improve my English.
Yes, you are absolutely right. So may I introduce myself?
Sure.
Okay. So my name is Suniti Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in a family and I have 3 siblings, one me and 2 small brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new, as well as I am so much eager and curious to learn English language. Even though I am running to YouTube channel, that's all about me.
Okay. Okay. So how many months you are running this in new channel?
Okay, so before 8 to 9 months, I have joined the Skype application to learn English language, to speak English language, because at the time only I have understood that English has become a common language for everybody and we should learn English language. So that's why before 8 to 9 months, I've joined the Skype application and doing practice here. And talking about my journey with the English language, like when I have learned English language, I have started to speak English language before 8 to 9 months. And talking about how when I have learned this language. When I was in class 6 or 7, at the time I started to learn this language because I was not knowing anything about the English language. Anything not knowing about the English language. Firstly, I just focus on the grammar part because grammar is the very essential for speaking English language. Because and we can also say like that grammar is the backbone of the English language. Even though I was not knowing to form the sentence also, so that's why I firstly focus on the grammar. After learning the grammar, I just learned the basic part of the grammar only because for a speaking English language, whole grammar is not mandatory, but we can say that basic grammar is very essential for us. After learning the basic grammar, I was doing the activity at my home, that how I can give my introduction, how I can give my daily routine, and I was also doing the practice with a co-learner at that time, but I was fearing a lot. I was hesitating so much. In my mind, nothing was coming that what I have to express, what I have to speak now. Even though I was hesitating to speak in the introduction part also, and I was fearing a lot. Even I was fearing that much that I cannot explain you. Even though I was thinking that the people like you, they are speaking very well English language, and I'm not better. I cannot do anything in my life. So that's why this type of thinking were coming in my mind at that time. And I also left it all those things about the learning English language at the time before 8 to 9 months. Now recently I joined the a Skype application to learn this language, to speak this language, and we can also say like that it is a good application for practicing English language. So that's why I'm doing practice here.
Okay, great. So you are living in a village or in city?
Yeah, I live in the city.
Great, great. That is a good advantage for you that, and also your family. What about the family?
Yeah, my family, they are also residing in the city only.
Okay,
But
so they are
but talking about my village, that in the in my village in the like not in the city areas, in the rural areas.
okay. So you are getting the environment at home also. Your father, your parents also speaking English.
Yeah, sometimes we can say that for practicing English language, we used to speak in English language at my home also, because doing practice is very necessary for learning English language very soon. So that's why I used to practice English language at my home sometimes and doing the practice with my brother.
Okay, okay. So what is your occupation, your father?
Yeah, my father is a serviceman.
Great. And which profile?
Yeah, he's a loco pilot.
Oh, railway.
Yeah.
Great, great. Yeah, it is extra advantage for you that.
Yeah.
Uh,
So I also wanted to ask some question like, why do you think from now on that I have to learn English language and I have to improve in the English sector?
can you repeat once again?
Yeah. Why do you think about the English language that I should learn English language and
Great.
what? Yeah, yeah. What do you think
I
about it?
wa- I want to tell you what the reason and why. What the reason why you are learning this language? Am I right? I want to tell you the question. Okay. Okay. Now you are a student. Okay. You are studying in ninth classes. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I did my all education in 2008. I did a masters in English in 2008. Okay. 2008 from Kanpur University. And I'm working in private sector. I'm just giving the example. Suppose you are going to interview any corporate sector. Okay. Now you are a student. Completing your graduation, post graduation, you have to requirement the job. Am I right? Now you require
Yeah.
the job. If you will go any company for giving the interview will take ask the question in English. English is very requirement for getting the job in private sector. The most importance. And second is that suppose if you want to communicate with your management, I'm talking about director, manager, or GM or other qualities person, you have to communicate with the English because in private sector means if you want to survive yourself, if you want to stay yourself, it is must compulsory that you have to know about the English. And second is that I'm as a computer operator. Okay, I have all responsibility. I have to work on computer and I have to written all the materials detail in English. So English is very important for me. But why I'm doing the practice? Because I'm living in village. Okay, I'm not getting environment because mostly people using Hindi. Okay, I'm listening Hindi. I am speaking Hindi at home in my company also. So this platform I'm using, I think more than 15 days. I didn't complete 1 month also. I have completed, I think 15 days on this platform. So I'm getting a lot of friends who is learner, and so I have to speak to them. I have to get something from them side. But it is good advantage for you that because now you are, I think, 15 to 16, 14 age, maybe whatever. But it is good advantage. You are learning is English, and you have to you are speaking the English. So it is you will get the extra advantage in interview any company.
Yeah,
If you
yeah, you are absolutely right that English is very, very necessary for us nowadays, and it has become a common language for everybody. We can also see like that there is a lots of reason behind it to learn English language, to speak English language. Everywhere we are finding English language only. Like we can also say like that if we also want to connect to the peoples like the foreign peoples, or if we go to the southern places where we can find that they are speaking their native language and we are also speaking in our native language. So that's why for communicating with the peoples also English is very, very necessary for us. And we are not like that. We have only to survive in our one state. We can also say like that for after a job, we have to survive. We have to visit a lots of places where where we find that they are speaking in English language. We can find that English is a common for everybody. And if we want to connect to the people globally, then English is only the language through which we can easily connect with the people. So that's why English is very, very necessary for us. And we, for the higher studies also we can say like the people they are doing the JEE NEET or the for the higher study we can say that the English is very, very necessary for that one also, and English becomes very easy when you will learn English language. So that's why I can see in myself that native language is better than my speaking English language. I can say like that only. English is very, very English very easy language. If the people will concentrate at how we can speak English language, the people will learn to speak English language, then definitely they are going to speak very well English language. For the higher job also, English is very, very necessary. Like in the at the international level also, we can see that the presentation or the interview they are given through the English language only. And
hmm,
now you can also find that earlier people they were not aware of the English language very much, but nowadays, all the people they are aware of the English language. They are eager and curious to learn this language. So that's why I just think that English is very, very necessary, and we should learn English language.
okay. So how is your daily routine for English speaking, and how many hours you speaking? How many people see you connect with? uh, daily basis.
Okay, so talking about my daily routine about the English language, I'm not getting much time to practice in the Skype application or doing practice at my home. So that's why for practicing, I used to speak in the morning time as I have given you time. Only I am free from the 6 to 7, and I'm not getting much time because I have my school also. So that's why I have to also go to school in the evening. I am coming after that. This is my tuition also. So that's why I'm not getting much time after teaching after studying tuitions. I had to also do my homeworks and had to do a lots of things of my assignment work, like this type of thing. There is a lot. That's why I'm not getting much time in the morning only when I get the time, but in the evening sometimes I used to get the time to practice English language. So that's why I used to speak there on the Skype application only, and using like except a Skype application, I'm not using any application to learn English language, to practice English language. And even though now I'm not doing any practice at my home, also I just get the people, whatever the people, 1 or 2 people in the 1 hours I can manage. That I used to practice with them only.
Okay, actually, I'm very crazy for English. Okay, and actually, it is my childhood uh, nature. Actually, my passion is that I have to learn, I have to speak English because I'm working in this field. Okay, so I'm realizing that ki English is very important for me because where I'm stand here, if I want to progress in private sector, so English must be know.
Yeah, yeah. English must
And
be known for everybody.
And second is that why I can't speak fluently because I'm not getting the environment in my area. It is village. You know that if you are living in village area, mostly common people using native language. Am I right? So it is very difficult to me to talk to somebody. Okay, but on this platform now, just like you are talking with me. Okay, so you can speak with me. I can speak with you. It is get great advantage for me that okay, I can learn from your side. Give me 1 minute. Huh? इसमें सिविल में भाई नाम क्या था कुलदीप ठीक ईटीपी है ना okay sorry actually I'm on duty okay somebody came in my company I have to ask where you going that is my responsibility actually my office timing is 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. actually I'm doing in night shift okay I like in night shift because in night shift a lot of people free they can talk with me okay but in day shift I have lot of responsibility at home so okay I have to work all things. That is the reason I'm not getting too much time to speak somebody. But in night, I'm totally free. 11, 12, 1, 3, 4 p.m., whatever. If anybody free in night, without hesitation, call me. I can talk with you. But in day,
Yeah.
I'm facing the very issue because I don't have much time to talk anybody. But in this platform, I've seen that a lot of people are eager for English. They are talking with me in midnight also, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., and 12 p.m. also. So it is
Okay.
very good.
Yeah. So I have to ask one question to him. That what do you think about the English language? That video call is very necessary for us or the audio call?
Listen that I want to give the reason both. I give to I have to explain the benefits about the video calls. Okay. Now you're talking with me. Okay. First time you are recording the call, and that after end of the session, I will get that video. Okay. Then I have to watch my video. I have to look about my body language, about my way of communication, about your experience also, about my mistake. So it is chance to get how I have to improve my mistake through video calls. But through video calls, you will get the motivation. I am watching you and you are watching me. You are watching my videos. You are watching my body language. I am watching your video language. Okay. You can judge. You can get. You can judge my mistake. So you can tell us, Mr. Akhilesh, this is your mistake. Please improve that through video calls. Okay. If I'm talking about the audio calls, okay, I'm not watching him and he's not watching me. Okay, but we are talking with each other audio calls. Through audio calls, we can call directly to anybody. Okay, but through video calls, we are getting a lot of confidence. We are talking anything. Before speaking, I don't think in mind ki whatever I'm speaking that is correct. No, my motto is that I have to speak. Because without speak not possible. If you think that ki whatever I'm telling the wrong, that is not right way. Because you are a learner as a child. Example, as a child, if you learn any language, you have to do mistake. Because without mistake, not possible. So firstly, you have to mistake and mistake. Okay. After that, you have to improve. Then only possible that you can make perfect. So we are like video and audio both. And I think you are fourth and fifth. I'm talking with you that okay. Mostly I'm not connected to girls and other things, but I'm talking to generally to male person in night shift because in night shift I think not try to call to anybody after 10 p.m. Okay.
Okay, okay, not an
So
issue. Yeah. So, do you have do you have find any mistakes in me that yeah, I'm doing wrong, or
it is.
I have to improve?
I want to tell you that without hesitation. Okay. It is a fantastic session with me that because you are practicing I think last 8 to 9 months. Okay. So you have confidence. Okay. You have because you are practicing daily basis. So all things in your mind, you speak continue fluently. Okay, but I'm using this app last 15 days. Okay, so not confident, not much too confidence to talking to somebody without hesitation. But now I'm going to hesitate because whatever I'm speaking, I think this is good or not. And second is that also my rate of speech I think high, so I have to speak slow and well. But it should be improved daily basis, not a one time. So
Yeah, yeah, you're absolutely right.
I have to know suggestion from your side for English speaking. How should I improve the proper well English? I have to know about from your side.
You know that you are speaking better than me. You can easily speak very well English language and doing a lots of practice. I can say that you have not to do anything at your home also. You are doing the practice in the Skype application. It is okay. You are doing it is okay. And you are doing a great like you have only joined before 15 days only and doing practice with a 15 days only and you are speaking very frequently English language. You are speaking the confident English language. So it is not necessary to practice at your home. It is only thing like that you should practice, but on the regular basis.
Hmm. And secondly, that I've seen that a lot of people are YouTuber in this group. More than 90% are YouTuber. I think everybody perfect. I don't know whatever, but it is my experience. Okay, I can say that because whenever I got the message, this kind of YouTuber, there a lot of person tell please learn the English. So I said, yeah, it is okay. It is good that okay, because you have passion that you are making the video. You then you have to editing something, but I don't have much knowledge in Skype.
Yeah, but it is not my passion. I just think that if I will upload the videos on the YouTube, then most of the people will get help from me that they should learn English language, how they can learn English language, how they can practice English language. Like for the beginners one, how they can learn. It is for that only I am uploading the videos on the YouTube. So I
Mm-hmm.
we have for all those things, and the video is going to very long. So shall we end our session now?
Sure. Bye. Thank you. Good morning again.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
When you free in morning tomorrow, day after tomorrow, please call me. Okay. I am to improve.